Hey friends, welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm going to talk about an amazing opportunity and I'm going to give you a free website. Well, a little strings attached. In the description of this video, you'll see a link where you can buy a 4-year hosting for as low as under $200. As someone who has been connected to the web development industry for the last 2 decades, you will not come across such an amazing opportunity where you can get a good fast host for less than $200. In this host, if you buy a business account, you'll get free domain name, free SSL, and most importantly, you will get a daily backup of your website, which is very essential. In case of website goes down, your website can be restored to the previous version. If you could get this hosting, all you need to do is just follow the procedure in the description of this video, email my teammate Fahd Manzoor, and we'll take care of your website requirement. There are a few things you'll have to understand before you make a purchase. A, this offer is for basic website, for blog website, for portfolio website. Do not expect us to build a Google search engine or an Amazon e-commerce website. If you want an e-commerce website, we can build a theme for you absolutely free and also include WooCommerce plugin that will allow you to take payment from the front end as well as manage the inventory from the back end. You'll have to connect a payment gateway, and that is not included in this particular offer because payment gateway integration requires a lot of time. But rest assured, if you can get a basic website and if you can hire us for the development, we'll be more than happy to assist you for a little extra cost. Last but not the least, since I expect a huge queue because a lot of people would be availing this particular request, I request you to be patient and make sure that you wait for your turn. You'll get your website, absolutely. There's no strings attached, no questions about it, and once you send an email, you'll be entertained. So this is an amazing opportunity, and to answer the question why everybody should have a website. The reason why everybody should have a website is because you can have your portfolio website, you can have your informative website, you can have your services website, you can have your e-commerce website. A website is essential in 2021 and beyond if you want to get traffic from Google search engines and from internet. Because even if you are an employee who works 9 to 5, you got to have a portfolio website or a resume website that talks about your credentials, talks about your past experiences and what you thrive for and what kind of future opportunities you're looking for. So a website is very important for everybody. This is an amazing opportunity. Don't let it go. Make it count, because after a limited time, of course, I'll take back the offer. Go ahead and click on the link in the description and sign up. I look forward to your email. Bye for now.